Department of Business and Entrepreneurship at the Siaya National Polytechnic, where we turn dreams into enterprises, ideas into income, and ambition into lasting achievement. We don't just teach business, we build visionary leaders, innovators, and change makers ready to drive Kenya's economy forward. Our department delivers dynamic, practice-oriented education that blends academic excellence with real-world insight, preparing you for success in today's competitive markets.
My name is Ojwang George. I'm currently the head of Department Business Studies and Entrepreneurship. Welcome to the Siaya National Polytechnic. The importance of business in economic activities cannot be gainsaid. Having business knowledge, having the know-how to generate wealth within an economy cannot be gainsaid. At the Siaya National Polytechnic, under the Business Department, we offer professional courses, we offer internal courses as well as from these other external bodies. So from the professional courses, we have CASNEB courses, CPA, we have CIFA. And then at the diploma level, still under CASNEB, we have ATD. And then at the certificate level, we have CAMS, that is Certificate in Accounting and Management Skills.
Whether your goal is a level 5 or 6 qualification, a craft certificate, artisan award, or a full diploma, we offer flexible industry-aligned programs from modular TVET, competency-based education and training, to CASNEB examined courses that match your pace and fuel your potential.
For registration to these courses, the professional courses under CASNEB requires a minimum of a C+, a bachelor's degree, and then for ATD, that is a diploma course, the minimum requirement is a C- at the KCSE level. At the CAMS level, that is the Certificate in Accounting and Management Skills, the entry level is a D plain or a D+. At the Human Resource Professional Exam Board, that is also one of the bodies that we partner with, they certify people in human resource management. At the professional level, they offer CHRP, which is Certified Human Resource Professional. Entry level, that is a bachelor's or a relevant diploma. Then, the Human Resource Professional Examination Board also offers CBET programs, and those come at the diploma level as well as the certificate level. Then the third professional body that we partner with is the KISEB, for procurement purposes. Now, the KISEB offers professional exams as well as diploma exams. The professional exams, the entry behavior is C+, and then at the diploma level, it's C-. The Siaya National Polytechnic is a certifying body, meaning that they also offer their own courses and certify. So the trainees that we release out are actually competent.
At the Siaya National Polytechnic, you become part of a vibrant community, one that fosters personal growth through co-curricular activities, networking opportunities, business incubators, peer collaboration, and leadership development, all while nurturing the confidence to innovate and lead.
As a certifying body, the Siaya National Polytechnic under the Business Department offers the following courses. We have Business Management, and that comes under level 6 and level 5. We also have Marketing Management, we have Banking and Finance, we have Accountancy, we have Project Management, and then we have Office Administration. For our courses at level 6, the minimum entry behavior is a C-. At level 5, it's a D+. And then with Office Administration, it goes beyond level 5 and 6. We also go down to level 4 and even to level 3.
Join the Department of Business and Entrepreneurship at the Siaya National Polytechnic for the May 2026 intake.
May intake, our gates are open. You're welcome. Come in early, come in, shape your career. The future belongs to you. Thank you.